This is the BMW 340i. It's the fastest 3 Series you can buy before you jump into an M3. But it's not the new G20 body style that's coming out this year. What it is quite possibly the last of its kind. What I mean by that is that this might be the last 3 Series you can get with a manual transmission.
It's disappointing really because the 3 Series has always been BMW's most driver-focused car. But I guess from a business standpoint it makes sense because the cost to develop this gearbox would outweigh the profits they would make from selling a manual version.
I guess we'll just have to cherish it by finding out how fast it is. It's powered by a 3-liter turbocharged straight 6, which they codenamed the B58, and it's rated for 320 brake horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque.
So independent shops have dynoed this car close to the 360 brake horsepower, and with all-wheel drive, it weighs close to the 3,700 pounds. That's C43 AMG and Audi S4 territory. That's pretty sneaky of them.
Because they don't give this car a performance moniker.
So let's go find out how fast this last bastion of automotive freedom is.
And to do that, I'll hand her over to the car's owner, Matt. Make it magical, bro.
That looks pretty good. If you want to do another one, let's go again.
Alright, coming around. Shit.
Now before I show the results, I want to be clear that this isn't the fastest variant of the 340i. If you go for the rear-wheel drive version with the 6-speed manual, you save 200 pounds and it'll definitely put down a better time from a roll. But if you plan on modding this car, there's a good chance you'll want that all-wheel drive because with just a few bolt-ons, you can easily add over 100 horsepower. Alright, on with the show. That went pretty fast. How'd it feel, Matt?
100 came up sooner than I expected.
Yeah, I mean, having that 6-speed manual definitely helps. You only have to shift once, which is a good thing for this kind of test.
Yeah, it's taller than I thought.
When I looked at the V-Box data, second gear ended at like 70 miles per hour, and then third gear was something like 105, which, that's up there.
I was looking at the tach, I wasn't looking at the speedometer.
Smart guy. So, I know you used to have an E39 M5. How does this gearbox compare to that one?
This one is smoother, it has hill hold assist, and it rev matches. But maybe the E39 gearbox is just old.
That makes sense. So Matt, give me a guess here. How'd you think you did?
I just hope I beat your 535.
Well, the 2016 BMW 340i did 40 to 100 in 9 seconds flat.
Nice.
I mean, that's pretty impressive. It definitely does not have 320 brake horsepower.
No.
I mean, look, it beat John's Ford Focus RS.
And your 535.
You sure you're stock?
as sure as I can be. I bought a certified pre-owned off a lease, and the only thing I added were the little M-color grill inserts.
That's gotta be it.
50 horsepower right there.
So, speaking of mods, what's next on the list?
Intake for the sound, tune for the power, maybe a downpipe too.
Okay, so your basic bolt-ons there. How much power are you supposed to put down?
Just north of the 400 wheel, I think.
Not bad at all. So I guess when it's all said and done, why don't you come back on the channel and we'll see how fast it is then.
Sounds good to me.
Thanks for letting us test your car, Matt.
Thanks for having me, Dan.
Anytime. Hey, so if you enjoyed this episode, click that thumbs up button. And also let me know what you think of the 340i. If you're new to the channel, mash that subscribe button for new episodes. Thanks for watching.